Your own boss? Damn right, let's get started. Tired of your 9 to 5? Want to be your own boss? Damn right you do. You want to call the shots, build something that's truly yours, and create a life on your own terms. We're diving into 10 small business ideas that are easy to start, budget-friendly, and have the potential to turn into your full-time income. No fluff, no BS, just actionable strategies. Let's get into these game-changing ideas. Let's talk about freelance graphic design. If you've got that creative spark and can make things look good, whether it's on Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop, businesses need design. Logos, social media posts, website graphics, flyers. The demand is massive, startup costs are low. With a decent computer and software, you're in business. Solve problems for clients, help them build their brand. Niche down, be the go-to designer for specific industries. Specialize and charge premium rates. Next on the list, and this one's huge, online tutoring or coaching. Are you knowledgeable in a particular subject? Math, science, a language, music, coding, business skills, test prep? Thanks to the internet, you can reach students worldwide. Identify your niche and target audience. Platforms like TutorMe, Chegg Tutors, or freelance sites can help you find clients. Be reliable, engaging, and results-oriented. Your students' success is your best marketing. Build an e-commerce empire without inventory, dropshipping or print on demand. Sell products without managing inventory, packing, or shipping. Partner with a supplier and list their products. They ship directly to your customers. Print on demand is for custom-designed products. Upload designs to platforms like Printful or Printify. Enjoy potential passive income. Find a niche you're passionate about. Don't sell random items. Build a brand, research, test, and iterate. Chapter 4. Rule their feeds. Social media management. Every business needs a social media presence. Most owners are too busy or don't know how. That's where you come in. Understand platforms, create content, build community. You have a valuable skill. Work from anywhere, set your own schedule, minimal startup costs. Help businesses win online. Chapter 5. Make it, sell it, crush it. Handmade crafts and Etsy store. Are you crafty? Do you make amazing handmade items? Stop giving them away for free. Turn your passion into profit with an Etsy store or your own website. People love unique handcrafted items. There's a huge market for products made with care. Startup costs can be low if you have the materials. Your main investment is time and creativity. Quality photos and storytelling are key. Let your passion shine and the sales will follow. Chapter 6. Roll up and clean up. Mobile car wash or cleaning services. Some of the best business ideas solve everyday problems for busy people. Think mobile car wash or general cleaning services. People value their time and pay for convenience. With a mobile car wash, you go to the customer. No more waiting in line. Cleaning services provide a stress-free environment. These services have consistent demand. Startup costs can be low, especially for cleaning services. For a mobile car wash, you'll need more equipment. Start small and reinvest as you grow. Focus on reliability, professionalism, and building trust. Show up on time, do a fantastic job, and communicate clearly. It's hard work, but it's honest work with real potential. Chapter 7. Pause, play, and paydays. Pet sitting and dog walking. Who loves animals? If your hand just shot up, this one's for you. Pet sitting or dog walking. People adore their pets, their family. The demand is consistently high, especially in urban and suburban areas. And the best part? The startup costs are virtually nil. You need your time, reliability, and a way to market yourself. Go the extra mile, and pet owners will become loyal clients. Chapter 8. Write your way to freedom. Blogging and niche websites. Love writing and sharing information? Blogging or niche websites can be your path to passive income. Find a hobby, skill, or problem you can solve. That's your niche. Create a website, publish in-depth articles, guides, and tutorials. Monetize with display ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Provide value, be patient, and the traffic and income will come. Chapter 9. Get fit, get paid. Personal fitness coaching. Are you passionate about health and fitness? Love helping others achieve their fitness goals? Become a personal fitness coach, virtually or in person. Offer one-on-one sessions, group classes, or online coaching. Customize workout plans and nutrition advice. Train clients in gyms, homes, outdoors, or online. Certifications boost credibility, but experience works too. Target a niche you're an expert in. Help people change their lives, one workout at a time. Chapter 10. Create once, sell forever. Selling digital products. Leverage your knowledge to create an asset once and sell it repeatedly. Think ebooks, templates, courses, stock photos, or software plugins. If you have expertise in any area, cooking, gardening, business, marketing, art, coding, package it into a digital product. The beauty is scalability and potential for passive income. Create once, sell infinitely. Stop watching, start doing. Your time is now. Alright, there you have it. 10 solid, actionable business ideas. You don't need a fancy MBA to become your own boss. Start building the life you want. Your future isn't going to build itself. You have to lay the bricks every single day. Stop being a consumer and start creating. Execute your ideas. Now, for real, close this video and go make something happen. Execute.